Hello everyone. So this is going to be for Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Okay, this is the calling for air element. It's been long I haven't done it, so today it said that I should do it. Okay, also in my previous reading just before this I said reading general because I write slash Aquarius as for the views and all that. In the middle of my reading I said, because I didn't remember, it's for Aquarius. Okay, so yes, it's for Aquarius as well, but general as well, so people know it go. So yeah, so if you're new to the channel, messages are on me as well, so that's an I and someone is watching you. Okay, this is for some cases it's an I of a female energy, feminine, but most female, because feminine energy could be in masculine as well. But I do feel like someone is watching someone. Okay, someone is seeing someone's eyes a lot these days, or this is about a particular lady figure as well who is might be listening to me, or you're dealing with the one, and you could be the male, masculine. This lady does admire herself a lot, and she gets ready, okay, and she takes care of herself, and she healed herself a lot and experiences. I do see there could be for certain cases this could be someone in her 40s or 50s, okay, could be, but also because she's an adult, so she could be in her 30s as well, 18 plus, okay. As being said, this could be because these are timeless reading and for everyone, okay. For all, I mean, around the globe, the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius especially today. So the calling is like that. I also am getting something that is going to be something that was untold. It's going to be released, revealed, will be told, basically untold to told. Okay, that is going to be the change in your scenario. 0202 recording time can be so fast. So also this is something connected with totem peacock, okay, and this is about pride, and this is about the colors and everything, but this is about pride. But this is also telling me something about being cautious, okay, being cautious, that this lady could be very cautious about her public image. She could be in public eye. If that's not, uh, this person is definitely very cautious around of her surroundings. Okay, now this could be him as well, but what I'm getting right now about ladies, so I have to stick to that. So yes, if you're dealing with such a person, okay, such female energy, she's very cautious, she is always on alert, and even if you have good intentions, she is going to be very cautious around you. So if there is someone who is very cautious around you, be mindful that this person, this lady, is very very of very strong character, okay, having her own rules and principles. Okay, she is not like you can go and just hold her. No, you can't. Her eyes will say everything, her stare gonna tell you, you dare not, kind of, or permission, hello man. Okay, so this is about something that you cannot approach this person just like that, like la 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 la. No, you can't. There is also heavy earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, who could you could be dealing with, or you've dealt with. Okay, and what else? Number three is going to be important. Something is also connected with very important communication amongst three, kind of. Okay, so or you're trying to reach to this person via source, via someone. You want to like deliver your message via someone, via their friend, or via their colleague, or if it's a workplace, or someone is there from where you are just like it's a bridge, kind of. Someone is helping you to navigate to that person, kind of. Okay, number date 3 is important, or 21 date is going to be important, okay, for some cases. All right, what else? Like, look at this. I just took this deck, it was in my hand. It's the bottom energy is forbidden. Like someone over here, you cannot touch them, you cannot hold them, you cannot just approach them, la la la. And no, it's not allowed, it's not allowed, it's forbidden. This love regarding this female or vice versa, it's forbidden. Okay, what else I can say is about someone over here is also businessman or a businesswoman. Now here, that being said, this is also connected with some kind of property business, or they deal in properties. Okay, this is a this is someone person. If you're a businessman, okay, man, I'm talking about 101%, and you want to approach this lady, it's not about that you're just going to show, look, I have this, I have. She is not going to get impressed. She is not. Okay, this is a part which is about security, but I do feel like their life is all okay and good and settled, so it's not the only thing that is going to impress her. Yes, it can be a part. It should be, because a man should, woman should also, but a man should if you're approaching a woman. Okay, this is look universal, and I don't want to discuss this ahead, because why to argue and all that. But yes, this is the thing that I'm seeing. So you are approaching a person who's having a lot of pride in like she is just you cannot do that. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so what more? We're going to read from that particular deck which I showed you about forbidden, but also some things. Now, it's also something connected with, as I said, that the career is of a masculine, or could be of female, but the career is of something that is connected with properties and land and houses and construction, engineering, okay, civil engineering, more than into engineering field, okay, something like that, okay. What else? And this is also someone, there's this female, I can tell you, she is proud of herself and her things, and it's also that she is successful, she is independent. So, and also there is something with, especially with when I picked up on earth, I do feel something is not in sign, but someone who is fixed like on you, okay, or vice versa, you are fixed. So someone is fixed on you, like they're looking at you, they want to talk to you, like, okay. So that kind of energy is here definitely. Now also there's energy because this lady is of like pride and everything, and very cautious and independent and all that said. There could be age gap, okay, there could be, not necessary, but when I said that, I also said it's something is, because we're going to read from this deck now, forbidden. So like no, people cannot just approach you like that, and vice versa. Now we'll see. Flirting, temptations, love affair, giving into pleasure, you don't. If especially we're talking here about a lady and you're approaching that person, now this doesn't work on her. Flirting, showing how tempted I am for you, it won't work on this person. For her, this is going to be literally, I'm telling you, there is someone who is literally into this. What? Like she's going to be you. She doesn't like that. Some people talk shit. That's the reality. They just feel like every other person is like them. And when they're going to talk about, oh, let's get Louis, no, I'm not interested. Don't talk shit in front of me. Okay, don't be lustful, because mostly they are. And I have this concept, like the lady I'm talking about here is definitely into that much, like what? Like honestly, she can get energies. She can get anyone, okay, if she want. But she doesn't want that kind of energy, because people literally talk shit. They literally talk all the time about being sexual, being physical, being this, being that. Don't you get energy drained? I have this question with men out there, because I'm a woman and I'm talking about, they all have just shit in their mind. And again, no offense to anyone who is having very clear thoughts and who's nice, okay? Could be man, could be woman. But I'm talking about me, sometimes dealing with energies, most of the time, they have shit in their mind. They talk nothing but just this. And honestly, I don't like you. Stay away from me. I will never like you. Even if you return again and talk now nice, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter. You're the same person. Okay? You don't respect me. And if I don't respect you, I cannot admire you, and loving you is the last impossible thing. I don't need such people to go away. So, yes, let's see. So, you are forbidden. But look at this. She is with the man. But this is the thing that is forbidden, the person that is forbidden. And the person who's going to get everything from that person, who never did, who never allowed, what do you think that man is doing for her? What is? He must be doing things for her to break that forbidden part, not allowed. To get close to someone, it's not even end up having physical connection. I'm talking about allowing someone in your territory is the biggest thing. Okay, because it's energy exchange, and being physical is energy exchange. Okay, so this is what I mean. Okay, everything is going to be very nice, flirt, temptation, everything is going to be nice with the right person, I mean to say. So let's see. So definitely you're forbidden, if I'm talking about you. Definitely. So here you go. Someone is stuck on you, you're their muse. This card flipped out. Honestly speaking, wow. Inspired by you, listening to music, emotional bond, song lyrics. This could be someone is sending you songs, videos, anything nice. Okay, words are nice. Um, you are the muse because they're just inspired by you, intrigued by you, and they write even things for you. That's what muse. Okay, so it's about someone's. You could be their musical muse as well. Like they create music when they look at you, when they talk with you, or they get such a boost in their life when they listen to you. I don't know if someone is listening to me and they are into music. I don't know if I ever helped someone in a certain way. I don't know. But if I am, or if I am inspiring someone, or if someone was sad and now they're not, it's a big thing for me. Even if they never told me, if they tell me, wow. But if they don't, then again, I feel like if they got out of something, that's it. My mission complete, right? So there is some kind of emotional bond here, I see. Very interesting. Okay. Untold will be told. Untold will be told. I told you. And the card here. Oh, no, this is not that card. This is about decision. This is a masculine male energy sitting, thinking about that woman. May go vice versa. Okay. This general readings, like kind of like timeless. But wrong reasons, contemplating, stay or leave, uncertain. Someone over here is thinking about their decision they took and now they're feeling like uncertain about it. Or if they never took it, but they need to, they're stuck in some, pendulum or something in the timeline. They're feeling like what to do, stay or leave, because it's their feelings are so uncertain, or their situation is so uncertain right now. They have some things that they might be feeling that, why am I taking this decision, or something like that. Maybe they know that it's wrong reasons. There are wrong reasons. Okay, so someone need to contemplate on that. Last card. Okay, you got that. Look, someone is trying, the card is sneaky, but someone is trying not to do it. But the card is sneaky, especially Instagram. Someone fake profile hiding from you behind the scenes, social media. Okay. Someone is trying not to, but they end up doing it, especially Instagram, because it's all written here as well. Even the word is Facebook here down there, or login in with Facebook. Okay, so maybe, but I do feel it's more of like these apps. Okay, and they have some fake profile, and they are hiding from you. Someone is hiding from you, but they want to see you, they want to watch you, they want to be around you, they need to see you via sources. So someone is doing it, and even you don't know, because maybe you're not giving attention to that, because you don't know. So who is that? But there is someone who knows you, but they're keeping an eye on you via some source, fake profile, behind the scenes. So thing is definitely something is here which is untold and will be told to you, or you will just know it. Okay, so someone who is trying not to be sneaky, but they cannot help themselves but be that, or just be looking for you through sources. And this influences, someone is getting influenced, or someone is transferring information about you to them to you, where we don't know. But look, others involved. They can't reveal it. Third parties, intervention, manipulation. So someone over here, I do feel that they adore you. They adore you so much that they can't help it but do these things. Okay, they cannot go away, especially if you have done like blocking, or you don't follow, or you something's been done. Okay, ever way back or now, recent distant time frame. Now, what someone can do, how they can follow up, because they miss you, they want to look. Okay, so hopefully that this is going to help you. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.